Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Face ID or fingerprint not working in the Commerzbank. First, restart your device. Then, head over to your settings app and then search for Face ID and passcode. Then make sure your Face ID or fingerprint is enabled. Then open the Commerce app and then go to the settings. Enable biometric login from there. Then head over to your app store, search for the Commerzbank app and update the Commerzbank app from the app store. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then remove and add your fingerprint or Face ID again in the app. Make sure your finger and sensor are clean. That's how to fix the Commerzbank Face ID or fingerprint not working. Subscribe for more banking guides.